song God Is For Me by Sinach. I'm going to be playing in a key of C. Alright, so before we continue, kindly click on the subscription button and then thank you for doing that. I'm going to play the song and then show you how the chords go. So basically the progression loops within the song like that. It's a 1 4 6 5 in the key of C. In any key that you want to play in, it's still 1 4 6 5 in that key. So you look for the chords in that key and then you play it. But I'm going to show you for C, C, G, C, D, E, and then G. That's for your chord 1. Right, you can play it like this. Okay, so then you move to chord 4, F, C, F, G, A, C. But you can still be playing. So this is your chord 4, this is your chord 6, and then this is your chord 5. Now your chord 1, you could play it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment and then subscribe.